Alright folks, so we're going to look at some how to cook some asparagus today. So asparagus can be hit and miss. If you cook it right, season it right, it actually tastes really well. Now if you notice here, it has two rubber bands around the stalks. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Notice how it all spreads out now. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and wash the asparagus. So I'm going to wash the asparagus and I'm going to show you back to it on the cutting board. Alright, I've washed my asparagus here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here to the side. We're going to look. We're going to go ahead and just cut about a 1/4 inch. See here, about the same as my tip of my thumb. And what we're going to do is cut that stalk off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer it onto my pan. I'm going to do this till they're all gone. Alright, if you'll notice, I've transferred the asparagus to a pan and put foil on the bottom of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and just put a light layer on the top, going back and forth. I have some garlic powder. I'm going to drizzle it. Just a nice light amount. And then one of my favorite seasonings that you can use for almost anything is called Season It All. Made by Fiesta brand. You can buy it anywhere at Walmart. You can buy it at HEB, you can buy it at Kroger's. Alright, now that they're on here, I'm going to shake them side to side so I don't waste any seasoning that might have rolled off or I might have missed. Alright, and then so just to review what we did here, I used a little bit of oil on the top, used a little garlic powder, and then some Season It All, which is like cayenne, salt, and a couple other ingredients. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to move to the actual oven. Alright, our next step is turn the oven on. So I'm going to bake. We're going to go up to 400 degrees. Press start. This is going to be the preheat, so in 6 minutes it'll be ready to go. And then we'll touch base then. Alright, as you can see, my oven's on. It's at 400 degrees, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, grab our pan, we're going to move it over to the top of the oven. Open the oven. I'm going to put it on the top rack. Now notice I'm going to try to center it, okay? Keep it as center as you can. I'm going to close the oven. I'm going to come up here, and we're going to cook. So I'm looking for cook time. So right here, we're gonna put 2500. Uh-oh, notice I turned on my microwave. It's not what I wanted. Make sure you turn it off. We're gonna reset. So if we're not looking for cook time, make sure we look for timer set. Do the same thing, 2500. Press start, and if you notice, now my timer's set. Alright, as you can see, my timer is ended, so therefore I'm going to open up my oven, and I'm going to pull this rack out. I'm going to grab my asparagus. I'm going to put it here to let it rest. Close my oven, and you'll take a look. Here's my asparagus, ready to go for dinner. I hope you enjoy. Serve it with a side of chicken or steak. Mashed potatoes go really well with it. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.